model, 2005 Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase, TDI 90 rear wheel drive TRW long wheelbase, ambulance spares OR repairs, perfect for export, perfect for camper. Body, yellow, camper. Mileage, 237140. Engine, 2402 cc 2.4, TD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Engine sounds fine, we thoroughly checked the wiring and found the ECU is faulty and will need replacing. We had electric specialist mechanic to check this as our mechanics was unsure to confirm the ECU. Smile with a Halo standstill gearbox looks completely fine. Condition summary, a lot of the ambulance stuff at the back, perfect to export. Throwing kisses. Bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is below average. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, 3 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.